We will be living in a 23-foot Cuddy cabin boat for 8 full days. In celebration of my wife's birthday, we decided to take the boat and go on a very long trip. We started at Key Largo by Gilbert's and made our way south all the way to the outlying islands of Key West. This is our first time ever doing a trip like this, and together, along with our pups, Gaia and Bear, we will be charting some unfamiliar water. So planning and preparation was a must. So join us as we take you to the Florida Keys, and you're watching Two Bears Outdoors. All right, good morning. Well, this is the beginning of day 5. Okay, so we are still here at Tarpon Belly Keys. We stayed anchored here for 2 nights just because the water's raging and the wind is howling. But today we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna travel 14 miles south and we're going to Snipe Point. So we're going to see from there. We're going to be able to anchor, spend the night. If not, we're going to have to figure something out. So let the journey begin.
Well, it's another day and it's about 11:15 in the morning. We finally got all our stuff packed back up and now we're getting ready to journey on down to Snipe Point. We're hoping that there'll be a lot of pretty sand and everything. That's what we expected at Content Keys, but we went to the wrong side of it and we couldn't get to the other. So we're going to try again today at a different spot and then hopefully be able to find a safe place to anchor. We might have to come back here to Tarpon Belly tonight. I don't know. We'll talk to some people out there and see if there's any other good place to anchor closer so we don't have to travel so much.
All right, guys, we made it to Snipe Key. This is a beautiful, beautiful area, and there's a lot of big fish swimming through here. We just spotted a very large great hammerhead shark, and there's some big torpedo-like cudas. And you see them swimming all along the side of the sandbar. It's pretty cool.
Just to here, and that's as far as you can go. But it's
Boy, there's sharks all over here. Hopefully I got it on film.
we finally made it out here to Snipe Point. We're not quite sure where we're gonna anchor for tonight because it's not enough protection out here, but it's pretty cool. The tide's going out, so all of this is gonna come out of the water at some point. On the way over here, out a little further, we saw some hammerhead sharks, and there was, I think, 2 or 3 of them. But Gus saw one of them, the dorsal fin come up. He said it's pretty large. So there's a lot of big things that swim around out here, it looks like. But yeah, it's really cool. It's really pretty out here, really picturesque, but man, the current is ripping. I mean, right here, there's like a little dip where it gets deeper in between the sandbar, and it is ripping through here big time. So you really got to be careful when you navigate out here in your boat. And out here, if you come, you know, don't be aware of the tide and when it's coming and going, because sometimes it can change by 3 feet. I know this morning from low tide to high tide, it changed by 3 feet. So, and other times it only changes by a foot. So it's kind of, it seems kind of random, but you have to look and double check because you could be left high and dry real quick. So yeah, pretty cool place. We're excited.
How's it going? Donnie Ardito.
Hi, I'm Amy. I'm from Chicago. This is the first time here in Key West, and it's beautiful.
Hey, I'm Mike from Chicago. First time in Key West. Enjoying it so far.
I run this charter boat for Lucci Charters right here at the beautiful Snipes Point.
And you're watching Two Bears Outdoors.
And you're watching Two Bears Outdoor.
You're watching Two Bears Outdoors.
And you're watching Two Bears Outdoors.
Bye.